Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing mostly sunny skies out there this morning with some hot and humid conditions already starting off the morning. Did have a few light showers and some lightning around the area early morning this morning, but that has since cleared and we should stay mostly dry as we move through our working hours today, but we will see a front approaching the area later this evening, and that's going to bring a chance for some showers and thunderstorms during the late evening time frame. And the Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk for severe weather, so it could see some of those storms bringing some stronger, gustier winds with the main threat from that severe weather this evening. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have dry conditions over the area right now. We're going to see this boundary approaching the area and pushing through during the early morning hours tomorrow. Ahead of it, we'll see some showers and storm activity tapping into that hot and humid conditions around the area. So we're going to bring that next rain chance potentially as we move into the evening time frame. Current conditions this morning: a few clouds at 6,000 and 20,000 feet, and some scattered clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds out of the west at 5 knots. Temperature 82 degrees. Relative humidity is at 66%. Looking at the current visible satellite, we see some lingering cloud covers off to the southeast with one light shower moving out there well away from the area, and again, those clearing skies over the area with some mostly sunny skies expected through much of the day. It's going to allow things to heat up quite a bit as we move through the afternoon. We look at the high resolution model for how we expect things to play out. Again, dry conditions with some high clouds around the area. We will see some lower level clouds moving through as we get into the late afternoon and evening time frame ahead of this front. As you can see, model indicating some showers developing out ahead of the front and pushing into the local area. The best chance of this will be after the 19 local time frame, but we will carry a slight chance just prior after 17 local. And again, some of these higher reflectivities indicating the chance of a stronger storm embedded within some of this activity. And the main chance for severe weather will be some stronger, gustier winds with one of those stronger storms if it happens to come together and push through the area. By the time we pass the midnight time frame, we will have a slight chance for about until about 1 a.m. of seeing maybe a lingering shower or thunderstorm, but that should quickly diminish as we move through the early morning hours of Saturday as the boundary pushes through the area and shifts those winds. It's going to bring in some lower humidity and some slightly lower temperatures as we move into Saturday. Saturday looks like a very nice day with quiet conditions, mostly sunny skies overall. We'll see some partly cloudy skies as we move later into the evening and into the day on Sunday, with mainly just some high clouds around. And then as we go through the day on Sunday, we'll see another overall dry conditions as we move through much of the day, but we will see another boundary approaching the area, and we'll bring with that another chance for some showers and thunderstorms pushing through. Once again, with this shower and thunderstorm activity, the Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk for some severe weather. Model quite bullish with some of this activity, but still a couple days out, but nonetheless, we'll see a chance for some showers and thunderstorms pushing through during the late afternoon, evening time frame on Sunday, and potentially some stronger storms with that activity as well. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, do have green conditions through our working hours today, with the exception of a yellow risk for seeing heat index values approaching or reaching 100 degrees this afternoon. We do expect our actual high temperature to be around 94 degrees, so quite hot and humid out there today. And we'll see winds out of the west-southwest to southwest, slightly breezy, peaking around 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to 19 knots. And then as we pass that 17 local time frame, we start to introduce those rain and lightning chances. Orange risk for 16 to 0 local this evening, again with that best chance being between 19 and 22 local. And with that risk of a storm pushing through, we do have that yellow risk for some gustier winds with those stronger storms, and yellow risk for reduced ceilings and visibilities with that storm activity. Slight chance of a lingering shower storm for the 0 to 1 a.m. time frame, and then that should diminish. So that's that yellow risk here, and then we'll see those temperatures bottoming out around 73 degrees as things become mostly sunny and drier as we move into the day on Saturday. Tides are running normal. Saturday, nice day, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, high of 88 degrees. Green for our weather risk. That continues into Saturday evening with partly cloudy conditions on the low expected around 67 degrees. And then back to yellow risk for precip and lightning, as well as winds and reduced ceilings and visibilities, as we will see increasing clouds on Sunday, slightly breezy, could see a wind advisory during the daytime hours, and then a good chance of wind advisory as we had that chance for, once again, some late afternoon, evening showers and thunderstorms, and again, could see a stronger storm with that as well. High expected around 87 degrees. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.